Buenos dias, estudiantes! So, here we are looking at Math 7 notes for the last lesson in Unit 8. Yay! Maybe. Uh, so, this is talking about the fundamental counting principle and compared to what we did yesterday or last lesson with those ridiculous tree diagrams and organized lists. You're going to absolutely love this. So, yeah. Okay, so first off, our initial definitions. Tree diagrams and organized lists. That is what we talked about yesterday. That is what we did in 8 dash. This is 12, so that would be 11. So what's nice about those is that they both, see the keyword and, they show the total number of outcomes and exactly what each outcome is. So going back to yesterday's notes, right here. So this tree diagram, it showed us first that there were 12 possible outcomes. And then also it showed us each of those possible outcomes. Sneakers that are gray, sneakers that are brown, high heels that are black, so on and so forth. Um, so they show the total number of outcomes and exactly what each outcome is. Definition from last lesson, when it shows you what each outcome is, that list, aka called the sample space. Sample S-P-A-C-E, sample space. So that's what's nice about the tree diagrams. Yes, they take a long time, but of course they take a long time if you're showing, 24 or 12 possible outcomes. That's a lot. Okay. So then up next, today's lesson talks about the fundamental counting principle. And this is super, super cool because the fundamental counting principle uses a multiplication to calculate the total number of outcomes. And that's all it does. So star highlight. This does not show the sample space, aka each outcome. So it kind of tells you that there's maybe 12 outcomes or 24 outcomes, but you don't know, it does not list exactly what each of those 12 or 24 or however many outcomes there are. So that is the one downfall to the fundamental counting principle, is that it does not show the sample space. All right.